everyone, welcome back to the Auto Mags Pro. Today, welcome to our in-depth look at the 2025 Hyundai Staria Camper, a motorhome that's redefining travel with its innovative design and cutting-edge features. At first glance, the Staria Camper captivates with its bold and futuristic aesthetics. The clean, minimalist front fascia features a full-width light strip and a seamlessly integrated grille, giving it a distinctive presence on the road. The aerodynamic silhouette not only enhances its visual appeal but also contributes to improved fuel efficiency. Step inside, and you're greeted by a spacious and thoughtfully designed interior. The cabin offers versatile seating configurations, accommodating up to 7 passengers comfortably. High-quality materials and ambient lighting create a welcoming atmosphere, making long journeys a pleasure. The driver's area is equipped with state-of-the-art technology. A 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster provides clear and comprehensive driving information, while the infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, keeping you connected on the go. Additionally, Hyundai's Bluelink connected services offer remote control of vehicle functions, live traffic updates, and more, enhancing convenience and safety. The Staria Camper is designed with comfort in mind. The well-appointed kitchen includes a refrigerator, sink, and induction cooktop, allowing you to prepare meals with ease. The living area features adjustable seating and a foldable table, creating a perfect space for dining or relaxation. When it's time to rest, the Staria Camper offers comfortable sleeping arrangements. The rear seats can be converted into a cozy bed, and the pop-up roof provides additional sleeping space, complete with a built-in mattress and ambient lighting. Storage is ample throughout the camper, with cleverly designed compartments to stow your belongings securely. The rear cargo area is spacious enough to accommodate larger items, making it ideal for extended trips. Under the hood, the 2025 Staria Camper offers a choice of powertrains. The 3.5-liter V6 petrol engine delivers 200 kilowatts of power and 331 Newton-meters of torque, providing robust performance for highway cruising. For those seeking efficiency, the new 1.6-liter hybrid system combines a petrol engine with an electric motor, producing a combined 225 horsepower and achieving fuel consumption of approximately 7.6 liters per 100 kilometers. Driving the Staria Camper is a smooth experience. The vehicle's suspension system is tuned to absorb road imperfections, ensuring a comfortable ride. The elevated driving position offers excellent visibility, and the suite of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, adds an extra layer of safety. What sets the Staria Camper apart is its integration of technology and comfort. Features like the Bluelink connected services allow remote monitoring and control of various vehicle functions, providing peace of mind. The vehicle's design emphasizes both form and function, making it not only a head-turner but also a practical choice for modern travelers. In summary, the 2025 Hyundai Staria Camper is a compelling option for those seeking a versatile and stylish motorhome. Its combination of futuristic design, advanced technology, and thoughtful amenities make it well-suited for both weekend getaways and extended adventures. Thank you for joining us on this tour of the 2025 Hyundai Staria Camper. For more reviews and insights, stay tuned to our channel.